New, slightly funky poppy jam. So the right hand stuff is just two chords. The first one is a C chord, and that has 1 on C, 3 on E, and 5 on G, all together. And then the second chord is a G7, but we're only playing the top of that chord because we're going to grab the bottom of it with the left hand. And that is B with 1, D with 2, and F with 4. So you're switching like this to like this. Alright, so left hand, you're starting on a C, and then you're jumping up to a C. And then you're going A, B flat, A, B flat. So 5 on C, 1 up to C, then A with 3, B flat with 2, A with 3, B flat with 2. And that chord happens at the same time. This is for part 1, I'm calling it. You repeat this 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Then your second part, you're going to move to an A. Keep this chord the same though. So, and then you're going to hit an A octave by itself with the thumb. So, and then you're switching to that G with your index finger, and you're adding the B with your right thumb, D with the 2, F with the 4. And that gets all hit at the same time. So, and you repeat that 4 times. 3, 4, then you go back to the beginning.